I came here today to witness the trial of MAZI NNNAMDI KANU'S. I know that there is no trial in place. What you are seeing there is a script. And while I was here, I was prevented from entering the court. While I was waiting in front of the courtroom, they went and brought Buhari thugs to attack me. Yes. They wanted to scare us from this trial itself. But we have told them that you cannot force a woman to be in a bad marriage. And what is a bad marriage? A marriage that cannot even accept other people to witness a trial in an open court is a bad marriage. A country that cannot allow somebody to freely express himself, that he's tired of being a slave in his own so-called country, is a bad marriage. I have said it, that it would have been my preference for Nigeria to be together. But that preference cannot subjugate the preference of others who are tired of a bad country. And the only option to keep Nigeria united is justice. And it is very obvious and clear that the Buhari regime does not believe in justice. Otherwise, you would not have gone to Kenya to go abduct Kanu and bring him to Nigeria. When he was granted bail, he went back home. You went to his house and tried to kill him. You killed people in his house. He ran away for you. And now you travel all the way to Kenya and brought him back. And we say, when you brought him back, let us see and hear what he did wrong in an open court. You said no. You cannot allow that to happen. Meanwhile, people who are bandits in this country are being rehabilitated. Terrorists are being recruited into the army. In fact, today, I was roughened up and beaten up in front of the DSS. They even pushed me back to them. So, we must not